In this video, I will show you how you can put your iPad 11 A16 into recovery mode. Now to do that, you will need the charging cable of your iPad. Now just plug one end of your charging cable to your laptop or to your PC, then plug the other end of the charging cable to your iPad. Now a notification might pop up on the screen of your iPad. Just select Allow and select Trust. Now just enter the passcode of the lock screen of your iPad. Now to enter your iPad into recovery mode, just grab your iPad, then press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPad until your iPad enters into recovery mode. Now just keep pressing and holding the side button. And once your iPad enters into recovery mode, just release the side button. Just remember the button combinations. Press and release the volume up and the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until your iPad enters into recovery mode. And this is how you can put your iPad 11 A16 into recovery mode. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.